Hi there. So today I'm going to do part painting, very modern abstract painting, and part jelly print. I'm going to put some jelly print design on it. So this is what I've got at the moment. I've got a nice squarish piece of card, and I've got my nice sections that I'm going to paint, and I'm going to be using all earth colors today. So let's see, where should I do this? Yeah, I'm gonna, and these black lines I'm going to accentuate when the painting is finished. I like the idea of I think I'll do that. So I'm just going to use earth colors and some oranges and some browns and yellow and some lovely raw sienna, burnt umber. Now I'm going to darken that because I don't like it too bright. I like them dulled off a bit. So I'll darken it a bit. Make it into a burnt orange. Oh, that's gone green, but that's okay. I don't mind that. Well, sort of orangey green. There. Right, I'll fill all these blocks in and come back to you.
You bring me down for all to see, then switch it up and treat me right. You promise sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough, please let me be. But I love what you do.
So I've laid down my blocks of colour, and this one is going to be quite minimal. I don't want like crammed with, it's not the usual boho crammed, it's more like your mid-century modern painting, this one. But I am going to use the jelly plate. So this will involve a little bit of masking. Even there. So there we are. That's the end of the video. I've kept it quite minimal, and I quite like it as a piece of modern art. So there we are. So I'll see you next time. Meanwhile, lots of love from the land of mist and legend. Bye for now.